Okay, now we start the software to move the pump. Go to 52, okay, stops. Stay for 7 seconds to adjust the limit switch and goes back again. I put different speed just to acknowledge the position when it's closed. And now the pump is going exactly in the idle position of the engines. Okay, when it's in idle, go maximum throughput. Wait another 7 seconds there in order to adjust the limit switch. And then it's possible to check everything is going fine several times, as much time as we want to simulate the test bench. Talk to you later.